If you're looking for the perfect covered structure for your garden to barbecue or sit out during the summer or winter months, I can highly recommend the Palermo covered structure here at Horkans. The frame is aluminium, it's powder coated, which makes it maintenance free, and it's also got a triple layer unbreakable polycarbonated roof. It's really fantastic. It keeps out the UV lights. We have them on special offer here at Horkans. They come in two sizes, the Palermo 3 metre by 3 metre, or we have a larger size at 3.6 metres by 3.6. And we have them at special offer. On the 3x3 Palermo, you save €250. We're now retailing it for €16.99. And the larger size, you save €300. It retails at $18.49. So for the perfect covered structure for barbecuing or sitting out this year, I can highly recommend the Palermo here at Horkans.